Hey guys, this is Donna, and in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to fix app not installed error right after this short intro. Is this what happens whenever you try to install an APK file? No worries, I got a solution for you. Just go to your phone settings and look for your apps manager. Then, look for Google Play Store. Go to Storage and tap Clear Data. Then, click OK. Now, tap the back arrow and look for Google Play Services. Go to Storage and tap Manage Space. Then, tap the button that says Clear All Data and click OK. Now, go back to your APK file. Open it and install. I'm pretty sure that it will be successful this time.